Hello friends, today we are going to see design of low voltage wide swing current mirror. Okay, so in cascade current mirror we observe that this is our cascade current mirror. So minimum headroom, this voltage, say this is Vx, should be greater than equals to 2Vd sat plus Vtn. So this is required. So to resolve this issue or to reduce this voltage, to reduce this overhead voltage, uh, we will use low voltage wide swing current mirror. Okay, for this let's consider this stage. So headroom minimum headroom we can achieve is 2 VD set, because to put this device in saturation we need VD set, to put this device in saturation we need VD set. So minimum required is 2 VD set. Let's see how we will achieve this voltage. So to achieve this we need this voltage VB, say this is bias voltage, should be equals to, say this is 1, this is M2, this is M1, this is M2. So for this we need VD set plus VGS2, VD set plus VGS2. Okay, so we need VB equals to VD sat plus VGS2. Now VGS equals to VD sat plus VT. So if we put this here we will get VB equals to 2 VD sat plus VT. So our requirement for VB is VB should be greater than equals to, or minimum VB equals to 2 VD set plus VTN. VTN is threshold voltage for NMOS. So from here we can see this VD set plus VGS. Now if we are having VB equals to this, then we can have minimum headroom of 2 VD set, which is less than minimum headroom required for cascade current mirror. Now how we will generate this VB voltage? So our current mirror is something like this. So say this is W by L1, this is W by L1, say this is W by L2, this is W by L2. Now how to generate this VB voltage? We will take device, say this device, say its size is W by L X. So this is I, this is I. So this W by Lx is generating VD set to VD set plus VTN. Now we will compare these two devices. These are in saturation, and for this both are having same current. I equals to half mu n COX W by L X. So this we want to generate. VB is this, so this is VB. So VB is VGSX. So this will be VGSX minus VTN square, which is equals to, if we now consider this device, half mu n COX W by L 1 VGS minus VTN square. Now this will cancel. Now W by Lx. Now VGS is VGSX for this device is equals to VB. VB is minimum required 2 VD set plus VTN minus VTN square equals to W by L1. VGS minus VT is VD set. So VD set square. So VTN will cancel. So this is 2 VD set square, 4 VD set square. W by L 1 VD set square. This is W by L X. So these two cancel. So W by L X is 1 by 4 of W by L 1. So what we will take, W by, this is W by L X. So this we draw it like this, 1 2 3 4 actually, so that all are W by L, W by L, W by L, and combined is W by 4L, which is equals to this. This is 1, this is 1 1 1 1, this is X. So we will make like this. So with this we can achieve 2 VD set headroom. So we have solved issue of cascade current mirror. Output impedance, so we have two devices in series now, so it will be, or in cascade, GM RO square. How to size cascade device? So in previous video I told you we should have large W and small or minimum length. Now its output impedance GM RO into RO. So this GM RO is gain of this device. So GM RO directly proportional to square root WL into L. So W cross L means gain of cascade device equals to GMRO directly proportional to area of device. So we will take, for high gain we will take large W and smaller length, and okay. So now what is other possible way to generate this cascade voltage? So there is one more way.